ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಪವರ್ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ಪೂರ್ವ. ಪವರ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ದಶಮಾನೋತ್ಸವದ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಕಿದಿಯೂರಿನ ಶೇಷ ಶಯನ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಕುರಿತ ಒಂದು ವರದಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
Ratnaprabha, IAS, former Chief Secretary, Government of India, the chief guest of today's summit. Ms. Hepzibah Rani, IAS, Deputy Commissioner, Udupi District. Ms. Sindhu Rupesh, IAS, CEO, Jilla Panchayat, Udupi. Shri Bhaskar Hande, GM, ZO of Syndicate Bank, Manipal. Shri Ramanand Naik, Joint Director, DIC, Udupi. And also the President, Dr. Gayatri, Secretary Poonam Shetty, Treasurer Deena Prabhakar. Now I request Kadambari to deliver the invocation.
एकदन्तं महाकायं एकदन्तं महाकायं तप्तकाञ्चनसन्निभं लम्बोदरं विशालाक्षं वन्देऽहं गणनायकं मञ्चीकृष्ण दिनकरं नादयज्ञोपवीतिनं बालेन्दु विलसद्नोवि वन्देऽहं गणनायकम्.
Dr. Gayatri R., the President of Power and also the Director of Raja's Dental Care Manipal, a consultant pediodontist. She has completed her MDS with flying colors. Her affiliations to Indian Society of Periodontology, Indian Dental Association and Power speaks volume about her capabilities. I request the positive, energetic, and creative person to welcome the gathering.
Was started on the 8th March 2009 on the International Women's Day. This was started by 11 members who had a like-mindedness, and with the support of Manipal Institute of Management, in the year 2009 it was founded, and today from 11 we have grown to 90 members. Power has a vision to unite women entrepreneurs, women in family business, and women aspiring to become entrepreneurs, and to inspire them and help them realize their dreams, and to transform the role of women in business into a dynamic force. I request our Organizing Secretary, Ms. Priya Kamath, to welcome Ma'am florally. Ms. Hepzibah Rani Korlapatti. Though she is new to this place, she was very inviting to us the very first day, and I'm sure she'll continue to support us the way all our DCs have been doing. So very warm welcome to you, ma'am. I now request the treasurer of the event, Ms. Nivedita Shetty, to offer a floral welcome. We also have amidst us Shri Bhaskar Hande. Sir is the General Manager of Syndicate Bank Zonal Office. He was very impressed with the way Power conducts its activities, especially he was there at the Manipal Flea and he supported us and also came to see how we have organized the Manipal Flea, very impressed with the way we had done it, and he continued to support us. So thank you so much, sir. And I would request our Secretary, Ms. Poonam Shetty, to welcome Sir florally. We also have Shri Ramanand Nayak, sir. He is the Joint Director of DIC. District Industry Center is one of the institutes, or you can say governmental agencies, which has been supporting us right from the day one when Power was established. And over the past 3 to 4 years, their support has encouraged us to do bigger and bigger programs. So, and he always encourages all the EDP programs from our side. So very warm welcome to you, sir, and thank you from the bottom of our heart. I would request our treasurer, Ms. Deena Prabhakar, to offer a floral welcome to Mr. Ramanand Nayak.
Thank you, President Dr. Gayatri. Caliber of a person can be gauged by the clothes worn. But here is a personality where her caliber is seen in the clothes that she designs. She runs a Alankrita boutique. Though she is very new to this organization, but still she challenged herself to be the event coordinator.
The summit intends to discuss and deliberate on the challenges confronting women entrepreneurs in the present business environment. The main objective of the summit is to power women entrepreneurs to make them better, bigger, and bolder in their business. The aims and objectives of this summit is to create a network among all stakeholders of entrepreneurship, to assess factors favoring and hampering entrepreneurship, to strengthen women entrepreneurial ecosystem, to provide mentoring, to enhance contact with service providers, to disseminate knowledge on financial services.
Light attracts light. Srimati Ratna Prakash, IAS, Chief Executive Secretary, Government of India, who is also the key speaker of today's summit. I request her, along with other dignitaries, to light the lamp.
got privileged to meet the right people who are active, interested and enterprising. So as a group, when you came and invited me, I was also happy to acknowledge and come be here on this day. And when I have heard Ratnaprabha Madam is the chief guest, I thought I will not miss this event. Second Saturday, we thought stay at headquarters and be part of this program. All of you have also geared up for the day, and it's a decade celebration, so it means a lot to you. When I look back, I also did the paper on gender geography and passed out from the Delhi School of Economics. So I know how important it is for women to excel in the economic front, and what the country or the nation's development that we see today is also certainly because of the 50% of the women population that is there in this nation, who are at the backbone of this entire economy. Women like the ones who are sitting here are actually spearheading the revolution, because other women silently at homes are contributing to the nation, but we have a bigger, larger responsibility for this society in changing the dynamics of the society. And certainly women who are running businesses and women who are doing small jobs also contribute in a big way to our economy.
Syndicate Bank has always been in the forefront and instrumental in the growth of power. Here is a very enterprising, dynamic banker, Mr. Bhaskar Hande, the General Manager, Syndicate Bank Zonal Office, Manipal.
The bank, Syndicate Bank, is really fortunate to be the main sponsor for this event as well. Yesterday, the International Women's Day at Mahe, we were the main sponsor, and it's good that the very next day of the International Women's Day, this Power Summit is being held. I was telling yesterday that the International Women's Day, United Nations, started in 1975. The main objective of this Women's Day is to create a better environment, a better society, where every woman has a choice to have her own education, her own income, and her own willingness to participate in all the socio-economic activities, and to create a society where the women are free from discrimination and violence.
Now, our DC ma'am, because of her busy schedule, she will be leaving now. So, I request Priya Thomas to hand over the mementos to her. Mr. Ramanand Naik hails from Karkala, and he is a Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering from Surathkal. He presently holds the position of Joint Director, District Industries Centre, Udupi. I take pride in presenting before you Mr. Ramanand Naik.
Power Summit again, what is related to the industry, I don't know. We've been motivated by Madam Ratnaprabha, because when I joined the industry department in 2014, Madam was our ACS, Additional Chief Secretary, and who is posted me to Udupi. Even in the first program Madam was organized in the Bangalore was for Women's Day celebration. You sent some people from the East District. So I was forced to contact these people. So they had their power members directly, then President and Renu. We contacted and we sent people to the Bangalore event. Madam. From that day, we thought, like, Udupi being a part of Dashin Kannada, we were known for enterprise, especially in the rural areas. If you look back, the BD industry was flourished in the district because of women workforce.
Mr. Hande also will be leaving now. So I request Poonam Shetty to hand over the emeritus. Mrs. Nivedita Shetty, over to you.
Power thanks each one of our sponsors, big and small. Without you, we would not have been able to do such a wonderful program. As and when I call the sponsor's name, please come and receive a small token of appreciation. Our gold sponsor, Syndicate Bank. Dr. Kai from Raja Dental Clinic. Adarsh Hospital. Mrs. Vimala Chandrasekhar. The HR Universal Founder President. B. Bazaar. Or Spandana TV, anyone can come and receive the token of appreciation.
IAS of today's chief guest.
ಪವರ್ ಸಮಿಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ 2019 ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಸಮಾರಂಭವನ್ನ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ರತ್ನಪ್ರಭಾ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಪವರ್ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಿರಾಮದ ಬಳಿಕ. ವಿರಾಮದ ಬಳಿಕ ಪವರ್ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಬಾರಿ ನಡೆಯುವ ವಿಶ್ವ ಮಹಿಳಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯಂದು ಉಡುಪಿಯ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಾದ ಪವರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಮೆನ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿನರ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇದರ 10ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವದ ಪವರ್ ಸಮಿಟ್ ಅದ್ದೂರಿಯಿಂದ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ಇದರ ಒಂದು ಝಲಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
Srimati K. Ratnaprabha, IAS, former Chief Secretary, Government of Karnataka, has graciously agreed to preside over this function. I would also like to thank the newly appointed Deputy Commissioner of Udupi District, Ms. Hepsiba Rani Korvatti, for being here today, though she was called away on duty.
Here is an enthusiastic, inspiring, vibrant Renu Jaira, who is the founder president and managing partner of Hero Honda of automobile segment. She also runs eco-friendly gifting products called Craft Mantra, which connects women and artisans. Over to you, Renu.
Our state's third woman chief secretary, Srimati K. Ratnaprabha IAS, born to educated working parents, her mother a doctor, in fact her mother hails from Karkala, right mother? Yeah. And father a civil servant. So helping others came naturally to her, and she becoming an IAS was no surprise for the rest, I guess. Her childlike enthusiasm and her spirited energy could probably be contributed to her being an active sports person in her earlier days. She has an exemplary record in public service spanning over 37 years. Her experience ranging from the social sector to IT, infrastructure, industry and commerce, skill development, and women empowerment.
And the subject she wanted me to talk to you was on women entrepreneurship. But I don't know whether I really need to talk to all of you on entrepreneurship because all of you are entrepreneurs. I always say that being an entrepreneur is the most difficult thing. You know, people like us who study, you become a doctor, or you become an engineer, you become a lawyer, or you become an IS officer, you study, you write an exam, you get into a job, you go there, and 10 to 5 you work, and you get a stable salary. It doesn't depend, maybe you work harder, you know, or less, you get the same salary. But when it comes to an entrepreneur, the entrepreneur has to really, really struggle. And what do you see when you see the dictionary and you think of what is the definition of an entrepreneur is a person who's very enterprising. And enterprising people are much more on a higher level than the people who do routine jobs like us. That's what I think. And women entrepreneurship is much, much more difficult. As all of you know, we keep talking about this in every event that women, they have to manage home and work, and then they are, you know, bogged down with so many other negative things which come in their way for them to move ahead when compared to a man. But I think days are changing and women are doing very well. They're able to manage both house and the work. And it's nothing but time management. And now women have all become super women who come out and you know, work as well as manage a home. The theme for International Women's Year this year has been balance for the better. So this is what has been the theme. So what do you say balance for the better? Balance for better, that is the word. Of course, both men and women are needed to balance the society. I am sure the men who are sitting here and the men who have been doing very well in life would acknowledge that if their mothers hadn't taken good care of them, nurtured them, you know, and prepared them to go to school and study well and give them all the facilities, they would not have become what they are today. And they would also acknowledge, grudgingly or ungrudgingly, that it is the wives who get up in the morning, give them their early morning coffee, prepare their breakfast and send them to office or send them to the work, and when they come back late in the evening, give them a cup of coffee or take care of their dinner, and that is why they are successful. So without the woman, the man is not successful. Similarly, for a woman, you can't get the same kind of treatment. She has to take care of herself, she has to take care of her family, and then go out to do her whatever business. So when it comes to an entrepreneur, I think now the days have become very wonderful for women because of digital marketing, online sales, and so much of technology. Now technology has come to play. The women are able to handle technology. They are able to become very good businessmen. Yesterday we had Women's Day at Bangalore, and there were women from Gulbarga who came, and they said that that lady was getting very emotional. She was almost in tears, and actually she literally cried when she explained how successfully she could manage her business without knowing English, without knowing proper maths. She's just a PUC educated, but she managed, and now she earns 1 lakh per day. And when she went to KSFC to get a loan, she told the GM, because you know in government offices how it happens, they say you come tomorrow, nale banni, nadid banni. At least in South Karnataka, maybe there's more of, you know, better administration, but in North Karnataka, Hyderabad, Karnataka area, it's so difficult. But she said, I pursued and I told the manager, I will come on this particular day and you have to sanction the loan for me. And she said at 10:30 she went until he sanctioned the loan. She did not go out and she took the loan. And she gave a surprise to her husband. She built the industry, and on his birthday, she got the industry inaugurated through him and gave a surprise to her husband, which normally the husbands we expect should give a surprise to the woman. So, but she said, I gave a surprise to him and handed over the keys to him. And her husband does other marketing things. She does the sales and other accounting at home. And she was very excited to share her success. Similarly, there was another lady who talked about how she was a mechanical engineer and she went to Guwahati because she was married to some engineer in Guwahati. And there she learned some technology, how to do crop cutting. And then she came back to Tumkur and, started doing the business, and she is a successful entrepreneur.
Now I request Dr. Girija, advisor of the club, to honor our chief guest. To honor the President of Small Scale Industries Association, Udupi District, there is Mr. I.R. Fernandez. So Kirdar is a drama club along with other power members where she trains for art and theatre. Over to you, Ms. Revati, to introduce Mrs. Usha Hegde.
ನಾನು ಇಂಟ್ರಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಒಂಟೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂಟೆ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಮರಿ ಒಂಟೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಮರಿ ಒಂಟೆ ಅಮ್ಮಂಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತದೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆನ್ನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಉಬ್ಬಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಮರಳು ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ನೀರಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀರಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ನೀರು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಉದ್ದ ಕಾಲು ಯಾಕಿದೆ? ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ನಡಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಉದ್ದ ಕಾಲಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ದೊಡ್ಡ ರೆಪ್ಪೆ ಯಾಕಿದೆ? ಮರಳೇನಾದರೂ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದು ನಾವು ಮೃಗಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಆ ಒಂಟೆಯನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವುಮನ್. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. It's my pleasure. I'm introducing Mrs. Usha Hegde. Mrs. Usha Hegde, born in Dharwad on 13th March 1958, studied in National College, Bangalore with background of Sanskrit literature and higher course in small scale industry development, painter of batik and bonsai, art of gardening. She is married to Mr. Ramanandan Hegde, managing director of Nandu Chemicals. Married in the year 1978, who hails from freedom fighters family. He has dedicated his life human ace and recipient of Lifetime Achievement Award, Vanijya Ratna awarded from Karnataka Chamber of Commerce Industries, Hubli.
I wish Power a very hearty congratulations on the 10th anniversary. 10 years is not a small time. There is lot of efforts behind this centennial celebrations, because I have realized in my life that time is money and time is also energy. So Chanakya Pandit tells, Kshana ekopi na labhyate Swarna koti bihi. A moment cannot be got back even if you throw thousands of coins, gold coins, you don't get it back. So time is money, time is power, time is energy. Youngsters, many of the youngsters are here. Please keep this in mind, that time flies. Time just flies. I can't believe we are into business for the last 42 years. My husband, as a technocrat, I would like to share some of our own experiences and then come back to the socio-economic development as a business.
President Dr. Gayatri to hand over the memento to the speaker.
Welcome, Shahnaz Khalili. Shahnaz Khalili is a PhD in pharmacology and an expert in global regulatory affairs. See, when I was given her details by Gayatri, I was wondering whether I was reading English, because being a medical person myself, I just could not understand what it all meant. So that is why I asked our Gayatri's better half
Dr. Sridhar, what exactly this regulatory means, regulatory pharmacy. And I also had a nice talk with Shahnaz, and this is what she said. Global regulatory affairs is a thing in pharmacology in which a person finds out a drug, and then it has to be approved by what are called regulatory bodies in each country. Only then can you mass produce it.
You can all say with me, more power to power, right? So power just gives you that excitement, right? When you think about power. And power is in so many different ways. One, of course, is knowledge, right? Everybody who has knowledge is power. And then you have network is power. Everybody today spoke about whom they know and who that person knows. So I'm here today because of Sridhar. And so I'm getting a chance to meet all these wonderful people. So network is power, right? What else is power? Your personality is power. The way you think, the way you present yourself, the way you meet with people, you get a pull effect. People want to work with you. They like you. They want to be part of your network. So that is power.
Beep, beep, beep. The alarm goes and I snooze. And it goes again and I snooze again. So this is how a typical busy IT professional's life would begin. Every day, snooze the alarm, and then you kind of have to wake up and get going with a busy day. You go to office, you have a list of tasks that need to be completed, the backlogs from the previous days that you need to complete. And this was exactly my life 7 years ago. So after 7 years in the IT industry, I realized that what am I doing? I'm just working for my employer and earning dollars for him. What am I doing? So that was my calling, and I had to listen to it. I did listen to my calling, and around mid-2010, there was this idea that sparked in my mind. And what was it? That's to take up my passion and continue growing my passion. And I thought that was much more satisfying to me as an artist. When I think back, it's really a good decision that I made, which is set to Ragamalika, music composed by Shri Karthik Hebbar, Bengaluru, and Rupakatalam, Kadiruvalu Shabari.
ವನವನವ ಸುತ್ತಿ ಸುಳಿದು ತರುವ ನಲೆದು ತಿರಿದು ವನವನವ ಸುತ್ತಿ ಸುಳಿದು ತರುವ ನೆಲದು ತಿರಿದು ಬಿರಿವುಗಳಾಯ್ವು ತಂದು ತನಿವಂಗಳಾಯ್ವು ತಂದು ಬಿರಿವುಗಳಾಯ್ವು ತಂದು ತನಿವಂಗಳಾಯ್ವು ತಂದು ವನವನವ ಸುತ್ತಿ ಸುಳಿದು ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಸ ರೇ ರೇ ಗ ರೆ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಸ ರೇ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಗ ಮ ಗ ರೆ ಸ.
The piece of dance was unmatchable. The audience was glued, and you have showed the message through your dance. Let us all put our hands together.
for the awards. So let's begin with the first category, the First Generation Entrepreneur Award. I request the office bearer Dr. Gayatri, Mrs. Poonam Shetty, Mrs. Deena Prabhakar, along with Priya Kamath, Organizing Secretary, Nivedita Shetty, Event Treasurer, to escort our Chief Guest, Mrs. Ratna Prabha K. IAS, former Chief Secretary, Government of Karnataka, and our sponsor, Vishwanath Kini, representing Syndicate Bank, Raghavendra Nayak from Malabar Gold and Diamonds, to the dais.
Mrs. Shirley Manoj.
Miss Usha Hegde and Miss Manjula Nagraj. Miss Sonal Shetty Rao.
So, Mrs. Deepa Kamath.
Priya Malya.
Mrs. Prasanna Prasad for Family Business Leadership Awards. Ms. Michelle Renita D'Souza. Ms. Lakshmi Shetty.
Miss Raksha Bhatt.
Shraddha Rangnekar.
To Sitara Goddess.
ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಹೊಸ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕಾ ನೀತಿ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಹೊರಬರಲಿದ್ದು ಮಹಿಳಾ ಉದ್ಯಮಿಗಳು ಸಲಹೆ ನೀಡುವಂತೆ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ರತ್ನಪ್ರಭಾ ಕೆ ಕರೆ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಿರಾಮದ ಬಳಿಕ. ವಿರಾಮದ ಬಳಿಕ ಪವರ್ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಹೊಸ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕಾ ನೀತಿ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಜಾರಿಗೆ ತಂದಿದ್ದು ಮಹಿಳಾ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೋದ್ಯಮಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪ್ರಾಶಸ್ತ್ಯ ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮಹಿಳಾ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೋದ್ಯಮಕ್ಕೆ ಅಗತ್ಯವಿರುವ ಸಲಹೆಯನ್ನ ಪವರ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಹಾಗೂ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ಮೂಲಕ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ.
Dr. Gayatri handing over her responsibility as president to Ms. Shruti Shenoy. I think that deserves an applause, ladies and gentlemen. Secretary, Poonam, to exchange her badges, to present her badge and responsibility to Supriya Kamath. Deena, Treasurer Deena, giving her responsibility to Lakshmi Rao. Lakshmi Rao has already been the treasurer during Parva, and so 2 seasoned treasurers. Vice President Tara Timmaya handing her responsibility to VP Pushpa Ganesh. Joint Secretary Rashmi to Priya Kamath. Priya has already proved her best in the summit here. So we have Rashmi Vijay handing over her responsibility to Priya Kamath as Joint Secretary.
It was 2 years ago at this very venue that I took over as the president, and when I was giving my acceptance speech over here, it was running through my mind as to what I would actually be able to do, because I had never taken up any such charge earlier, and I'm not associated with any organization like Rotary or Lions or Lioness, etc. So this was something new to me. But for me, power always had that charm, and it was something different it stood out among all the other organizations that I come across because of the like-mindedness of all the members who are present in this organization. But slowly and steadily, I just, I learned through how I should handle this role, and I'm really grateful to my secretaries, Smita Rajneesh, who was there with me during the first year, and Poonam, who was there with me during the second year. And also, as Vice President Tara, she's always been there. And Deena, I can never forget her. She used to come all the way from Malpe, just to sign a check, or that's the thing. See, that's the commitment that when you take up as a power member, that is what is needed.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಪವರ್ ಸಮಿಟ್ 2019ಗೆ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ ನೃತ್ಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಟಾಕ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಸಮಿಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್ ಡಾನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆಂಟರ್ಪ್ರನರ್ಸನ್ನು ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಂದು ಖುಷಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಜರ್ನಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಈ ಡಾನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ನೃತ್ಯಾಂಗನನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸೋ ಜರ್ನಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಪವರ್ ಸಮಿಟ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಏನು ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಒಂದು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಸಮ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಇದು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಪೇಸ್, ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಲ ಇದೆ, ಕೈ ಕೆಸರಾದರೆ ಬಾಯಿ ಮೊಸರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು 42 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ, ನಿಸ್ವಾರ್ಥ ಸೇವೆ, ಜನಸೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಜೀವ ಉಳಿಸುವಂಥ ಇದನ್ನು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್ಸು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಯಜಮಾನರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಅವಾರ್ಡಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ,
ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಯೂಶಲಿ ನಾನು ಸೋಷಲಿಸ್ಟ್, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ದಟ್ ನಾನು ಹುಬ್ಳಿಯಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಉಡುಪಿಯವರು ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಪವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ಪಂದನದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಶಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಸೋ ಪೇಷಂಟ್. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದವರು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ವಾಕಥಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಇನಾಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದವ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಭಯ ಆಯಿತು, ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ,
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಈ ಥರ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ರಿ.
ಯಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
ಎಸ್ ಮಂಜುಳಾ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಸೊ ಏನು ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಟು ರಿಸೀವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೇಳಿದಂತಾರೆ ಈ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ನಾನು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. ನನ್ನ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಹಬ್ಬ ಮತ್ತು 2 ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮತ್ತು ಫುಲ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ನಾ ಹಾಲಿಡೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಸಚ್.
ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ಈ ಥರ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನೀವು?
ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅವಾರ್ಡಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಹಾಕುವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ನಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಹಾಕಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಾನು JC ಒಂದು ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿ, ಒಂದು ಝೋನ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕಲಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಅವಕಾಶಗಳು ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ. ಆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರು ಸಿಗದಿದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದೆ. ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಇನ್ನು ಹೀಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ನು ಉತ್ತಮ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಬರುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಈಗ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಎದುರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಬೇಕಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಬರುವ ಹಾಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಾದಷ್ಟು ಮಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಏನು ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಹೌದು, ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹೌದು, ಮತ್ತು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಹೌದು, ನಾನು 25 ಇಯರ್ಸಿಂದ ನಾನು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಓನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಉಂಟು. ನಾವು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ಹೌದು ಹೌದು.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಗಲಿ ಅಂತ.
ಹಾಂ ಹೌದು, 100%. ಹೌದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಸೇಮ್ ಟು ಸೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ,
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಮಹಿಳಾ ಉದ್ಯಮದಾರರು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಅವರ ಪಾತ್ರ ತುಂಬ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಪವರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು ಹಾಗೆ 10 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಉಡುಪಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 10 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರೇ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ನಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಜನರು ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಏನಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇರೋದು ದಿನ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ಅವರು ಏನಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವರು ಬೇರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಸಹ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ಯಾಮ್ಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಅವರು ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಏನಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ನೋಡುವ ರೀತಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಏನಂದರೆ ಈ ಪವರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಸುಮಾರು 3-4 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕರಿತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಅಪರ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಏನಂತ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆ ನೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಏನೂ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆವಾಗಲೂ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಾನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರು ಆ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದರು. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ ನಂತರ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಅನೇಕ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ಗಳು, ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ವಿದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇನ್ಸೆಂಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸೆಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳ ಜೊತೆ ನನಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಇಡೀ ದಿನ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದು ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾತಾಡೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಗತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಏನಂದರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಡೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ತಂಗಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಕ್ಕನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಒಕೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಏನು ಪವರ್ ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಸಹ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಒಂದು ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಏನು ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ?
Yes, I'm feeling very happy. This is my first award as a woman entrepreneur. And regarding my business, I'm a LPG distributor and I wanted to make this country smoke free. Okay. And I wanted all the women to be healthy and safe in this way. Okay.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಒಂದು ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಏನು ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಅಂತೂ 100% ಇತ್ತು.
ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಂತಹ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಜನ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಥರ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಆಸೆ ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಆಗ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಖಂಡಿತ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ನಮಗೆ. ಇನ್ನೇನೆಂದರೆ ಹೆಂಗಸರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅವರ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಸಮಾಜಮುಖಿಯಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಕಲಿವಾಗಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ಬರೀ 4 ಗೋಡೆಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೇನು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಇಷ್ಟ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತರೇ, ಪ್ರತಿಭಾವಂತರೇ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಅನ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ
I'm feeling good. Honored to receive this award from Power, especially a platform for women entrepreneurs. It's very encouraging and at the same time very humbling, because it was very inspiring to listen to the stories of women who have achieved so much through long journey, and hopefully this is the beginning, important milestone, but not the end.
Okay. Maybe this is the first award.
Yes, I look forward to good journey and many more milestones. So yeah, very happy to receive this.
All the very best madam. All the best. ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಸೊ ಏನು ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Of course, it's a great feel, because I've never expected to win this award, and this is my first time, and getting award for a startup company, it's dream come true. Thank you so much.
ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿ?
Of course, I think it gives us more burden to work now harder, so more responsibility, so hope to get next year too. Thank you so much.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Namaste.
Yeah, and how you feeling madam? You got an award, so say some few words.
Yeah, it's very overwhelming. It has taken over 3 years, approximately 2 years, to reach this platform. So very grateful to everyone who's been part of my journey, from my partner to my team to my family, friends and everyone. It is me who is taken with this award, but back end there are many people who have enabled me to put in my efforts. So very grateful, very overwhelmed.
ರಕ್ಷಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಒಂದು ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 100% ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಅಂಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ?
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಿಜ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಕನಸ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಆರ್ ಓನ್ ವೇಸ್ ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೇವೆ, ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೇವೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಏನೋ ನಾವು ಎನಿಸಿದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಬೇರೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೌದು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅದರದ್ದು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಹ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So that way I am extremely happy. Moreover, I am very overwhelmed that ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕಲೀಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. Yeah, so how you're feeling? Like you got an award, so anything, like a lot of feelings you have?
Oh, definitely I'm honored, and especially for the recognition as a best social entrepreneur. And the topic is pretty close to my heart, working with communities and working with people, and trying and helping them create opportunities. So a recognition for this kind of work really means a lot for me and my team, and the entire community that we work with in the tourism sector in Goa.
So, and what about this program, today's program? Can you say a few words about this program?
Oh, definitely. So much. When we all got together to celebrate the essence of true womanhood, we really feel empowered, and the name Power itself tells you that there's so much of strength, when it comes to all of us together. And many congratulations to the whole team of Power for organizing such a good event, and well coordinated, I would say, and I'm grateful and thankful for such a lovely hospitality as well.
ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ದೇಶದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕತೆಯ ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬು ಇದ್ದಂತೆ. ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲೂ ಅಗ್ರಗಣ್ಯ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಹಿಳೆಯರನ್ನ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸುವ ಇಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ನಡೆಯಲಿ. ಇದುವೇ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ. ನಿರಂತರ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮನೋರಂಜನೆಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ಸ್ಪಂದನ.